Hi, I'm Maggie, and this is Julia. In Genius Hour, we researched how Earth was formed and how living things evolved on it.
The first thing to evolve was arthropods 570 million years ago. Then fish 530 million years ago. Then land and plants evolved 475 million years ago. Then flying insects evolved 400 million years ago. Then after that, amphibians evolved 370 million years ago.
Then reptiles 320 million years ago, then dinosaurs 225 million years ago, then mammals 200 million years ago, then birds 150 million years ago, then flowers 130 million years ago, then primates 55 million years ago.
The second most recent thing to evolve was great apes. The most recent thing was humans. Humans evolved 5 to 8 million years ago.
Did you know that the Earth started as a ball of dirt and rock, which was about 9 billion years ago, after the universe was born? It grew bigger as it spun around while gravity was pulling in more dirt and rock. Finally, after a really, and so on, long time, the newest planet in our universe had been born.
Some people think that all creatures evolved from an ancient four-legged land mammal. Other people think that all animals evolved from a sea animal and grew smarter and smarter and soon were land mammals and reptiles. Scientists still haven't proved either of these facts, but what is true is that
there are four main stages of how life came to be. The first one, small organic particles, such as amino acids that made protein and nucleotides that made DNA, were made. The second stage was when these small organic particles came together and formed larger particles. The small organic particles are called monomer, and when they join together, they create bigger particles called polymer. Now, the third stage. The polymer formed together to form probions, an early form of life, which are basically small droplets with membranes that are able to maintain a stable internal environment. Finally, the fourth stage. The polymer evolved to pass on genetic information.
Getting to know how Earth formed. For Earth to form, planets exploded and asteroids hit each other and made Earth 4.6 billion years ago. But it was much more complicated than that. It took a long time for the asteroids to come together and form Earth. For Earth to form, the asteroids had to stick together and in a long time made a cement ball. Then the cement ball started turning into the planet we live on now. But this is just one of the theories people have. Another theory is that that planets exploded and immediately made Earth the planet it is, and things started evolving.
In conclusion,
Maggie and I did this project based off what both of us wanted to do. First, I wanted to know how Earth formed, and Maggie wanted to do how things evolved on Earth. So we combined our ideas into one big